In front of me is Nubia Neo 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off its location. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Location Shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, my shortcut is blue. That means that location is enabled, but you can always disable it by hitting the same one again. If you wish to, you can always go into Settings, scroll all the way down and click on Location section. Then tap on this switcher next to Use Location to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!